contacted Meg, and there's only one thing to do. Meg, can you turn over? I gotta get that thing out of there. You're sitting on my shirt. I gotta put it on this hanger. Now, I'm going to Michael's house.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Waterloo Police Department. And red, white, and blue ball with sunglasses is attacking other balls in the area. These balls have an unknown origin from where they're from, but the Waterloo Police Department has a curfew lasting from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Any people out of homes after 6:30 p.m. will be arrested. Stay tuned to media outlets on this dangerous situation.